this video, I'm going over local skill-based businesses you can realistically learn about in 30 days. These aren't shortcuts and they're not guarantees. How much you earn depends on your local demand, how consistently you practice, and how seriously you treat the work. But these are real services people already pay for, which makes them practical places to start if you want to build experience and income over time. I'm Erin from Side Hustle Mastery. Let's get into it. Number 1, move in and move out cleaning. Move in and move out cleaning focuses on empty homes or apartments between tenants, which makes the work more structured than ongoing residential cleaning. There's no furniture to work around, and expectations are usually very clear. Kitchens, bathrooms, floors, appliances, and a final walkthrough that leaves the space ready for the next person. This is something you can realistically learn within about 30 days by following consistent checklists and repeating the same process across different units. You're not trying to clean faster every time. You're learning how to clean thoroughly and predictably. Over time, you start to recognize what property managers and landlords actually care about, which reduces mistakes and rework. As you're learning, organization becomes just as important as the cleaning itself. Keeping track of which units you've serviced, what was completed, and any notes for future visits help you improve quickly and avoid confusion. And Notion works well for this because you can build simple cleaning checklists, you can track properties, and write notes on what worked and what didn't all in one place. If you want to use Notion to stay organized as you learn, the link is below. Number 2, short-term rental turnover support. Short-term rental turnover support is about resetting a space between guests. That usually means making beds, restocking basic supplies, checking for damage, and flagging any issues for the host. Because the routine doesn't change much from booking to booking, this is a service you can learn fairly quickly through repetition. Within about a month, most people get comfortable with what to check, how to document problems, and how to communicate clearly with hosts. The skill here isn't cleaning alone, it's attention to detail and clear reporting. Hosts value someone who can reliably tell them what's going on in their property without guesswork. Early on, trust matters more than marketing. Before someone gives you access to their property, they usually want to see that you're legitimate and organized. So having a simple professional website helps with that. Squarespace makes it easy to create a clean site where you can explain your services, you can outline your process, and give people a clear way to contact you without technical setup. If you want to use Squarespace to set that up, the link is below. Number 3, home organization, closets, and garages. Home organization is really about systems, not aesthetics. Most clients aren't looking for magazine-perfect closets or color-coded pantries. They want less clutter, easier routines, and systems that actually hold up after you leave. This is a skill you can start learning within about 30 days by practicing simple methods like sorting items into clear categories, deciding what stays accessible, and arranging spaces around how people actually live. The learning curve isn't the physical work, it's understanding habits and designing setups that clients can realistically maintain. Visual clarity helps a lot, especially when you are still learning. Canva makes it easier to create simple layouts, labels, and visual summaries that show clients how their space will function once it's organized. So that keeps expectations clear and gives you a framework to follow as you refine your process. If you want to use Canva to create those visuals, the link is below. Number 4, basic pool maintenance. Basic pool maintenance follows a predictable routine: skimming debris, vacuuming, testing water, and adjusting chemical levels. You're not doing repairs or advanced servicing, just consistent upkeep that homeowners don't want to manage themselves. This is something many people learn within about a month by following safety guidelines, practicing water testing, and repeating the same steps across different pools. Homeowners usually pay for reliability and consistency and not complexity. Showing up on schedule and keeping clear records matters more than speed. Because this work is often recurring, staying organized is key. ClickUp can help you manage service routines, track weekly tasks, and keep notes on each pool so nothing gets missed. And that structure makes it just much easier to handle multiple clients while you're still learning. If you want to use ClickUp to manage schedules and service notes, the link is below. Number 5, trash bin cleaning and sanitation. Trash bin cleaning solves a problem most homeowners don't want to deal with themselves. It's unpleasant, it smells, and it's easy to ignore, which is exactly why people are willing to pay for it. You're not selling a luxury service here, you're selling convenience and sanitation. Within about 30 days, you can learn the basics by focusing on sanitation standards, safe equipment handling, and efficient routing. The skill improves through repetition rather than technical complexity. Over time, you start to understand how long each job takes, how to price fairly for your area, and how to group nearby homes so you're not wasting time or fueling driving back and forth. Where a lot of beginners struggle isn't the cleaning itself, it's explaining the service clearly. People want to know what's included, how often bins should be cleaned, whether it's safe, and how to book without going back and forth over text. That's where a tool like Builderall can help. Builderall lets you create a simple single-page site that explains your bin cleaning service in plain language. You can outline what you clean, how the process works, common questions about sanitation, and add a basic form so homeowners can request service or leave their address. That way, by the time someone reaches out, they already understand what you offer and whether it fits their needs. This helps you filter serious inquiries, reduce repetitive questions, and makes your business feel more legitimate, even while you're still learning and refining your process. So if you want to use Builderall to set up something like that for your trash bin cleaning service, the link is below. Number 6, basic home tech setup. Basic home tech setup covers things like smart TVs, printers, Wi-Fi extenders, streaming devices, and simple smart home tools. You're not doing advanced IT work or repairs. You're helping people get everyday technology working the way it's supposed to in their own home. This is a skill you can realistically learn in about 30 days by repeating the same setups and running into the same issues over and over again. You can start to recognize common problems like Wi-Fi connectivity issues, device compatibility, account logins, or basic configuration mistakes. They're hiring because they don't want to spend their evening troubleshooting, restarting devices, or searching through forums. As you learn, keeping track of what works makes a huge difference. Notion is useful here because it gives you one place to document setup steps, save troubleshooting notes, and record client preferences. For example, you can build a simple checklist for smart TV setups, keep notes on router settings that worked for past clients, or track which devices a household already uses so future visits are faster. Over time, this turns your learning process into a repeatable system instead of starting from scratch every single job. If you want to use Notion to organize your notes, checklists, and client details as you build experience, the link is below. Number 7, event setup and breakdown help. Event setup and breakdown help includes moving tables and chairs, arranging decor, setting up basic equipment, and helping reset venues after events. This type of work doesn't require a license because you're supporting logistics, not managing vendors, handling contracts, or running the event itself. This is something you can learn quickly because most jobs come with your instructions. You're told where things go, when they need to be ready, and what needs to happen at the end. The real skill here isn't technical ability, it's reliability. Showing up on time, following directions carefully, and staying organized is what makes people trust you and call you back. Because events are tied to specific dates and times, things can get messy fast if you're juggling multiple commitments. ClickUp helps with that by letting you track event dates, location, your arrival time, and tasks all in one place. You can set reminders, attached notes from the organizer, and make sure nothing overlaps or gets forgotten. This kind of structure matters even more when you're learning because it reduces mistakes and helps you show up prepared every time. If you want a simple way to keep event details and schedules organized, you can use ClickUp. The link is below. Number 8, product photography for local sellers. Many local businesses need basic product photos for websites, online listings, menus, or social media. This isn't commercial studio photography, and it doesn't require expensive gear or years of experience. Most sellers simply want clean, accurate images that clearly show what they're selling. So this is a skill you can start learning within about 30 days by practicing a few fundamentals: natural lighting, simple backgrounds, consistent framing, and light editing. Most clients care far more about clarity and consistency than artistic creativity. They want photos that look professional, that match their brand, and can be used across multiple platforms without confusion. As you're learning, presentation matters just as much as the photo itself. Canva helps with this by letting you handle basic edits, crop images consistently, add simple backgrounds, and create mockups that show how the photos will appear on a website or a listing. You can also use it to organize photos into clean layouts when delivering work to clients, which makes your service feel more professional even while you're still building experience. If you want to use Canva to support editing, presentation, and delivery as you learn product photography, the link is below. Number 9, small interior painting jobs. Small interior painting jobs focus on contained projects like accent walls, single rooms, or touch-up, not structural changes or licensed contracting work. Because of that, this type of service is often offered independently and learned through hands-on practice rather than formal training. Within about a month, you can learn the fundamentals by focusing on surface prep, proper taping, paint selection, and even application. Most mistakes in painting come from rushing or skipping prep, not from lack of skill. Clients usually care more about clean edges, minimal mess, and respect for their space than how fast the job gets done. Clear communication helps prevent misunderstandings before you ever show up. Having a simple online presence makes it easier to explain what you do and what you don't offer. Wix allows you to create a straightforward website where you can outline your services, show examples, and give people a clear way to contact you without needing technical experience. If you want to use Wix to create a simple site that sets expectations and makes it easy for clients to reach out, the link is below. Number 10, local business admin support. Local business admin support covers things like scheduling, appointments, managing inboxes, organizing documents, and handling basic follow-ups. You're not running the business for them, you're helping keep daily operations from becoming overwhelming. And this is a skill you can definitely learn in about 30 days by getting familiar with the tools a business already uses and understanding their workflow. Most of the learning happens by doing, seeing how tasks repeat, where things break down, and how to keep everything moving consistently. The value here isn't speed or volume, it's reliability and attention to detail. None of these businesses are shortcuts and none of them come with guarantees. They take practice, consistency, and time to get right, but what they all have in common is they're learnable skills tied to real problems that people already pay to solve. If you're starting from zero, don't try to do all 10, pick one skill, give yourself a month to learn the basics, focus on showing up consistently, and getting a little better with each job. If tools help you stay organized or present yourself more professionally, I've linked the ones I mentioned all down below. Use them only if they make the process easier, not because you feel like you have to. I'm Erin from Side Hustle Mastery. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.